Day 2. Yeah, they went out. I'm sorry, babies. Not yet. That's that bratty red. She might be a little bit smaller, only because of her breed, but she's your age. Wouldn't mess with her. Dirty, you need a bath, girl. Y'all just go stare each other down. So this is what I'm waiting on, is for them not to do this as often. I mean, they're going to do it, and then they're going to go through a pecking thing when I let them out, but they just need to be in here long enough to, for everyone to get used to them. Girls, you're fine. What? What? What are you doing? Huh? Hilda May, what are you doing? Go on in there if you're going in there. Y'all aren't supposed to be up on there. Okay, well, I got some chores done in the house. I made some bread. It's going to have to rise for about 2-3 hours, so that'll give me time to rake this again. And get it cleaned up. I put a little bit of wet feed out here for them. So, you like that, Betty Jane? I don't see the cows, but they're probably in the back pasture. Pumpkin, you need to quit. You know what? I'm gonna rent you out. Broody hen, $1 a day. Grandma, did you just lay an egg or? Put that red in the same box. I'm gonna have to watch. She's not broody. We got somebody in each box. Those are full. That one is now. That's the brood, the other broody girlfriend. What I tell you, I got 2 hens I will rent for $1 a day. You need to quit. I have to pull her out again. Doing pretty, girl. Okay. Are you still mad at me? That's when I had to wash your butt yesterday, and then she got mad at me. I know, it was for your own good, though. Pumpkin, you need to go outside. There's somebody in all of those. See how she's puffed up? That's that broody song. Pumpkin. I'm gonna carry you back outside again. Yeah, I am. Little butterball. She's really not that big. They just fluff up like that when they're broody. She's probably got every feather on her puffed up. Yeah. That's okay. Go on in. I'm gonna come in here and pull you out later on. Yeah, I am. If you want a box, you better get the last one open before she does. Otherwise, you're going to be standing in line. That's another reason I got to pull these broodies out a couple times a day. Pumpkin. Serious. They take up the boxes. Are you girls standing in line? Take a number. What? Huh? Pumpkin, there's somebody in each one of these. Little loudmouth. You need to quit being broody. Like every other month she is broody. You know, we don't have no roosters, so you ain't gonna hatch no chicks. That's impossible around here. Okay, let me get some other chores done.